Okay, in this video, I'm going to be teaching you warped aerials. Warped aerials are a little bit different. You want to lay it flat and then twist the chain, and what that does is it creates a pull to where the ring and chain switch sides. So here's a little example. So what you're doing is you're twisting it and it's changing sides. You're essentially making the chain go like this. Now warped aerials can be done with a full rotation. Those are a little bit harder. But I'm going to be showing you how to just do the normal one, which is like a 180 version of it. So this is a really cool trick because it gets the ring right to your hand when you need it. So there's a lot of different ways you can land the warped aerial. My favorite way is just to catch it in a big leery grip. So when you do a warped aerial, you can catch it in any big leery grip you want. So it makes it a really good trick to go from chain to ring. There are other ways you can land it. You can spike the ring with your finger. That one's a little bit more difficult to do. So I think the go-to one to learn is the big leery grip. You just basically spread your fingers and you catch it in between your two fingers. Now there are a lot of different ways to land this trick. You could have it land on your finger. So the possibilities are endless. The main part of this trick is the little twist that you do. You want to slow the momentum and have it lay flat, just like this. And when your palm is up, you twist it like you're opening a door. When you twist it, you don't have to pull back on the ring. It's going to do it naturally. So all you want to focus on is laying it flat and then twisting the chain. It takes some getting used to. The chain wants to hit itself, so you have to get the right shape. I think it helps to kind of let go right before it's flat. And that way the chain doesn't want to hit itself. So yeah, warped aerials is a fun little trick. It's not too hard, it's not too difficult, and hopefully you'll be getting it in no time. There's a lot of variations you can do with it, so I can't wait to see what you guys come up with.